Hello everyone, welcome back to another banger video. Today, we're going to be talking about testing in Python. We'll write unit tests with two popular libraries, Pytest and Unittest. So yeah, without further ado, let's hop right into it. Testing is vital to ensure the quality and correctness of our code. Unit testing, which tests individual components of our software, is one of the most common types of testing. To perform unit testing in Python, we have several options, and today we'll focus on unit test and Pytest. So first off, you'd have to install two libraries, or just one for now. We'll do Pytest. Since I'm in Replit, we won't have to do that, and I'll just go ahead and import it. Alright, so let's say our unit test is built in, so we don't have to import that. Let's say that we have a simple function that we want to test. This function just adds two numbers. Let's write a test for this function using unit test. We create a class that inherits from unit test or unit test.testCase and write a method that tests our function. We use the built-in self assert equal to assert that our function is producing the correct output. Now let's see how to write the same test with Pytest. So here's what we're gonna have to do, or we'll keep that there. All we have to do is def. So as you can see, Pytest is a lot more straightforward. We just define a function that starts with the word test and then use a simple assert statement to test our function. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video, a brief introduction to writing unit tests in Python with Pytest and unit tests. Remember that writing good tests is just as important as writing good code. So yeah, that's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed or found it helpful, drop a like down below, drop a comment in the comment section, and we'll catch you in the next one.